In this amazing feature, I'll show you how we can turn on Google Assistant in Samsung devices. So let's say in iPhone they use Siri, and you can ask anything from Siri. Let's say you can ask him to dial out, you can set the alarm, you can ask for the weather and everything. And in the Samsung you can use the same thing with the Google Assistant. And in the most of the Samsung new devices they have built-in, and sometimes you have to download. But in this device, all new devices they have it. So let's try first, and then we'll see how we can turn on this feature. So when go press and hold, press and keep holding. Hey Google, what's the weather today? So look at this, it's saying everything. So let's see how we can turn on that thing. So by simple going to the settings. So when you go into the settings, scroll down a little bit, you'll find this one, go advanced feature, motion and gesture. So simple go into the settings. When you go into the setting, scroll down a little bit, you'll find tab display. So hit on the display and you'll see, scroll a little down, you'll find navigation bar. When you hit on this thing, it will ask you to turn on and turn off. You just turn it off. When you just keep pressing, it won't do anything. When you turn on and keep press the home button, it will turn on this feature. When you go here, look at this, it says, hey Google, what's up? So it will give you the all answer. So that's how you can set up the smart thing. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend.